One of the skills name is what? Heading. So I would like you to head the ball right away. When I throw it, you head it the way you can head it. There's no penalty. That's a good one. Okay, it's your own turn. Head it like you're a man. Come close. Head it like you're a man. Okay.
This guy will be a good footballer.
Head it like a footballer. That's a good one. So the second one is chesting.
Chesting.
Second one is what? Chesting. So you will use your chest to chest the football. So I will throw it to you at the center. You chest the ball with your chest. Okay, that's a very good one.
Okay.
Good one. So Mr. Man, we are practicing what? Chesting. Say chesting. Chesting. Okay. No. Okay, let me repeat it. Let's be serious, please. Let's repeat it.
Okay.
Chesting. Chesting. Say chesting before you chest. Chesting. Say it louder.
Chest.
Hi, that's a very good one. All right.
Come closer so that the camera should not be vigilant.
Come close. You are having the chest, so do it perfectly. Chesting. Say chesting. Chesting. Yeah, that's a very good one. Who can tell me the third one? Just tell trapping. Yeah, that's a very good one. Trapping. Trapping, when I throw the ball to you, you trap it. This trapping. Is that taking? Yeah. So we are carrying out trapping. Say trapping. Trapping. Your right leg, use your right leg to do the trapping. 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 Okay. It's average. It's average.
Okay.
Say trapping. Trapping.
Okay.
Come, let me see. Say tapping. Tapping. Yeah. Good one.
Good.
All right. The last man. Tapping. Tapping. Yes. That's a very good one. That's good. The next one is dribbling. Next one is what? Dribbling. So you need to practice the dribbling within yourself. Is that taking? So how do you practice that? Let's make it 2-2. You come closer. While I pass the ball to you, pass the ball to you. Guide this play, try to guide the ball between ourselves. No, it's not like that now.
Okay.
Go. So that is the essence of dribbling. So we practice dribbling. Another speed. Passing. Okay, no. Let's do away with. Let's try kicking. Kicking with aim at a goal and kick as if you score the goal. Let's take off the goal here. Wait. Let's set up the goal here and see if the ball can go through. If it goes through, that's a good kick. So number one, practice it. I will try my own first.
Don't scatter the goal.
Yeah. I will try it once again. You aim at the goal and kick.
Yes.
So come and try your own.
Stop saying that on me.
Come and try your own. If at least you want to score the goal. You know, be serious with it now. Kick it hard. Kick it hard as if you want to score it. That's a very good one.
Yeah.
That's a very good one. Okay, your turn. That's a very good one. That's a very good one. Yo, guys, play it again. That's a very good one. Wow. You are out of it. You are out of it. Focus and kick. That's a very good one. Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.
This is how we're going to achieve from here. We carry